Hi guys! Today mag-review tayo at mag-unbox ng isang SIM card. It's called Gomo. So, I ordered this SIM through gomo.ph. Actually, sa nabasa kong article, ang sinasabi doon is ang SIM na ito ay ibibenta lamang sa Lazada at Shopee. Pero nung tinignan ko sa Lazada at sa Shopee, sa Lazada, it's out of stock. Sa Shopee naman, it's not available. But when I checked their website, it's available there. At ang nabayaran ko lang is 199 pesos and free shipping po. Plus, what encouraged me to buy this SIM is because of the 25 gigabytes data na walang expiration. So I received this today. It was delivered by Entrigo. So first, ilagay natin ito sa loob ng SIM. Lalagay ko ito sa slot number 2 or slot number 1 kasi yung slot number 2 is for my Globe SIM. Right, first, punta tayo sa App Store. Just type in Gomo PH. And ito yung icon niya. Click on Install. And now click on open and type in the phone number that's on the SIM card to activate your account. And then click let's go. Then proceed and wait for the OTP. There. And just fill up all the information this is required and then put in or nominate a 6-digit PIN. So don't forget that. And then you're given an option for the biometrics login. And there you go. Oh, here's the welcome message. Sa ilang saglit lang, we will do a speed test. But before that, here are some facts about this new telco or service communication provider in our country. I tried to search Google about Gomo, pero wala po akong makita na information kung sino talaga ang nagmamay-ari nito. However, I found out that there are 4 countries who are using this. Ireland, Thailand, Singapore, and now here in the Philippines. And if you are curious about what Gomo means, it actually means go out more often. Gomo PH operates using Globe Telecom's network. So that means kung saan man kayo ngayon, kung maganda ang signal ng Globe, if you have 4G signal for Globe or 5G, then it is likely, pag gumamit kayo ng Gomo na SIM, yun din ang signal na magagamit nyo or na makukuha nyo. Alright, so let's do some speed test. So I'm going to use this app for speed test. It's called Speed Test. So I'm gonna switch over to SIM 1 and make sure that I'm on the 4G network. And then I'm just going to allow this permissions. And then allow, and then click on go. Oh, this is amazing. Yeah. I love it. 20, 20, 21, 20. I'm actually inside my room, so I think this is gonna be a lot more better if nasa labas ako ng bahay. Well, yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome, so I'm gonna give this a 5. Ang Gomo SIM, ang tingin ko lang dito is kabaliktaran ng usual SIM natin or ng services natin with our current telcos. Why? Kasi pag nag-load ka ngayon, usually makukuha mo is prepaid credits, right? Makukuha ka ng credits for call and text. And kung kailangan ng data, i-convert mo yung call and text into data. Ang Gomo naman, they are run by data. kung kailangan mo ng call or kung kailangan mo ng pang-text, i-convert mo yung data into call and text. So, it's like kabaliktaran ng usual ways natin. Alright, just go to your homepage sa GoMo app and then click on Mo Credits nasa ibaba. Now you have the option here to choose 3 minutes worth of call to all networks, or you have an option to choose 30 texts to all networks and that will cost you 0.2 gigabytes, or this is one, itong gusto ko, 50 texts to all networks plus 5 minutes calls to all networks, and it will cost me 0.5 gigabytes. Click on next, and there, successful. Yeah, di bang dali lang? I love it. I love it. Alright, so ano pong masasabi niyo sa ating bagong telco? Should I say bagong telco or new communication service provider? Well, I think you should order one now bago sila maubusan ng SIM. Well, hopefully they won't. Or bago mag-expire yung promo nila. Kasi when I checked the website, nakalagay doon $299, pero siguro introductory offer 199 pesos lang for now. Plus, free shipping pa nationwide. So, if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please comment them down below. And of course, please don't forget to click on subscribe and the bell button so that you can get notifications whenever I have a new post or vlog such as this one. Thank you and have a nice day!